Now, those skills that I've shown you can try them in a match or in a training compound when you're training with your coach, your teammates. Even you can use it when you don't have anything to do. Just take a ball, even if it's made of paper. Try to do those skills, and it's just like the story of Pele. Pele lived in a poor village where they couldn't have a real ball like this. Now they could steal socks from their neighbors to make a round ball using socks. Now, if you have socks that you don't use, just you can try them in a match or in a training compound when you're training with your coach, your teammates. Even you can use it when you don't have anything to do. Just take a ball, even if it's made of paper. Try to do those skills, and it's just like the story of Pele. Pele lived in a poor village where they couldn't have a real ball like this. Now they could steal socks from their neighbors to make a round ball using socks. Now, if you have socks that you don't use, just make them to be like this, a circle like this ball.
Wamboi, wacha kelele.
Then, when it is ready, you can start training like Pele. Then, when Pele was just catching the ball, then when his mother took Pele to a mansion, a mansion is a big house where a rich man lives. Then they were cleaning the floors. Then a group of footballers they were talking about a football tournament where they are going to be a famous manager who is the Brazilian coach. Now, the players say the best players of Brazil. Then, by mistake, Pele said Pele instead of Pele. Now, the group of boys who are playing football said, "What the heck's Pele?" Now, Pele just hold back his tears. Then, when they leave, now the group one ball hits like a ball like this to the bucket of his mother who was sweeping the knee. Now his mother came and apologized from the boys. Now before Dico, now when Pele was small, they were calling him Dico. Now when they want to leave, when they were leaving to go back home, Dico grabbed that magazine that it was written the tournament that's going to happen. Now, the next day, Dico lied to his mother that he's going to sign shoes. Then he went to the tournament to play against. Now, you see, those group of people were calling the friends of Pele, and Pele was the captain of that team. Now, they made uniforms from bed sheets. Now, when they were called the shoeless one, they still just played. Now they made it to the final against a group of boys who were making fun of Pele. Now they went and steal peanuts when they steal peanuts to buy second-hand boots.
They went and
steal peanuts from a shop.
They went and stole.
They went and stole peanuts from a shop.
And suppose they went and stole peanuts
from a shop. Then they ran away. Now they making the shopkeepers to run against them. Now they end up in a forest. They still survived. Then they made second-hand boots. Then they went to the final day. In the first half, Dico's team was 6-0. The group of boys were 6. Then the team of Dico, Pele was called Dico when he was a kid. Now the team of Dico were actually wearing second-hand boots. Now, the game started and it didn't end well. It went in the first half, they were up 6-0. Now, in the second half, they played 2 minutes with the second-hand boots. Then Deco said, I'm removing my boots. Then he removed even his socks. Then started playing the shoeless without anything on his leg. Then he was playing like he was not letting the ball to go down like this. It was just staying up. When his teammate, then Deco scored a goal. When his teammates saw that Deco is not afraid, they removed and Deco told them, you are not ashamed what. Don't be ashamed of what you have. Just do whatever you want. Don't be ashamed. Now, when they removed their second-hand boots and the socks, now they went and scored 5 goals, but the group of boys who had 6. Now the referee brought the full-time whistle. That's the end of the match. But when Pele was starting to say that they are flopped in the final, the group of fans starts calling the name Pele, Pele, Pele as the captain of the Shoeless Ones team. Because the Brazilian boys called them the Shoeless Ones. Now, this one. No, I can tell you, don't be ashamed of what you have.